Steven, I videoed it.
That's good. Probably can swing that way just a little bit. Swing this way? So boom in? No, just swing. Stop. Cable down. Jake, how much room you got? On your front.
It's not gonna fit.
I'm probably gonna have a boom down in a minute. They're probably about 8 inches. Boom down a little bit. We need it all. Whoa. Just a little bit into it. That's probably it. That's good. Just cable down. Yeah. We'll push it the rest of the way. Nice and easy. I'm gonna keep the slam toward me. How's that little suction? That thing ain't going nothing? Looking good. You alright? Yeah. You alright? Hold it, hold it. There you go.
Called the red clay.
How much room you got? None.